kwapeda irokora kwapunako Uganda utara dakida kironoda Aitiji Ecamusana nepekede abilivilo nade tosumailo ya piesin ikomiti nude ya itosnoda ingi chakironoda amidichona PI kedai toltolo nada ya piesin ngeside sinyiko ikinarautulude salakintose kwenyete kanoda ajini daebe akiroto nada Ecamusana ngeside muatar kotomo district town.
Service delivery rely on your functions. The issue of accountability is core. You are the one to monitor the corruption scandal in the district and handle it effectively. Once there is corruption in the district, service delivery is affected. The people will not get the resources what they are supposed to get because only one person have taken it all. What will you know is happening in a particular place if you don't monitor?
Sama call order at Vitonelo C5 for district local Kumi. Ngisde chamuni to balada ebe. Akrono de Ecamusana ngisde ronge puno ikotomo district tan.
Raina bait akrono amidichona PI. Arauna riebo na ipolo no inaijai Uganda kwa pakop. Ijai Kumi kwa pe district. Do kwa pe district. Ikoto Esiketikin. Aitiji corruption. Asweta anyinube itungalu emidicheta PI no ebe time dake ntunga lo kwop o midichijo API ngun ipuni aredake njojo kan
mitengo ti togo bongo ichit no Aitiji corruption ado peta kisi nyesi haipikakini itunga ngulu edumunio para se corrupt haipikakini tomo kisil so deti kisi arakichutule wenyo kale maraso
Nseko Anthony Lode Ratupito na RDC for district aloko Kumi ngesida isumuni kitebe.
Have agreed that reporting of corruption tendencies by members of the public should be encouraged because sometimes corruption tendencies happen in the communities and they are not reported. Then we have also agreed that as a security we intensify detecting registration and investigation of cases.
Abola Nicholas Lode Aiti Aibungetnada Yemuto Oriongete Loda Ikisila Nepe Kede Iponesho Ngesida Ilipidi Tunga Kereo kwa panyo ni daebe Keunene Takrono da Ikamanara Kede Ecamusana Oto Maibosho Keche Kere Nude Jasi Kesi.
But for us here, we are following the pledge commitment of NRM government on the issue of zero tolerance to corruption. So the only thing we can do to tell the whole country the status of implementation is to move to the stakeholders, which include the district, civil society, religious leaders, the wananchi themselves and the media, to try to gauge what we have done as far as the implementation of that zero tolerance to corruption is taking shape. And with the view of trying to discuss the importance of issues of zero tolerance to corruption vis-a-vis the implementation of service delivery.
Ecamusana nyesida idio pibore kope kwa Nairobi nyaka kwa puna Uganda kwa poto mapol. Ido itunga luda ipu nyesida jabu ono kinebe are Ecamusana enyo uno Uganda are ebu na salain esubitibala ikenosi. Kanuka TV East Martinopolo tuko Kumi district.